Here I have Samsung Galaxy M14 and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts from SIM card on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Contacts application, then tap on three stripes here, go to the Manage Contacts, select Import Contacts, then select where to you want to import your contacts. Where from SIM card. Then you have to select which contacts you want to copy, or you can just select all, tap done, then select where to phone and tap import. And after that, these contacts will be on your device and also on your SIM card. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.